Welcome to our winery. Today, I'll show you how fresh grapes are transformed into premium wine using modern technology. Be sure to subscribe.
Tank 7 pressure fluctuation.
Acknowledged. Rerouting coolant. Stabilizing now.
Each batch is carefully monitored throughout the aging and refinement process.
And that's how grapes are transformed into wine using modern production methods, from vineyard to bottle. Thanks for joining our factory tour.